Hey, good morning, y'all. We are about to get back on the trail. It's 8:30 on Thursday morning, and I'm at Newfound Gap. My shuttle guy, Tom, just dropped me off. Busy day at the Gap here. Popular place to stop and enjoy the view. We're going to do, I don't know, 13 or 15 something miles today and hit a shelter. And Charlie's Bunion, I think, is the famous highlight of the trail for the first day back. So we see some fun stuff. We'll show it to you. Time to go. Bye. Alrighty. Let's go find the trailhead. One more check. We're good. And off we go. There's restrooms here, so it's a popular stopping point for a whole lot of people. Wonder what the weather's like in Maine. Probably kind of cold. Anyway, off we go. Up we go. Well, first short climb out of Newfound Gap. Whoo-hoo. Let's check it out. Nice. Calm day, no wind at all. You can see a sea of clouds. Clouds lower than the mountaintops. That's always cool. All right, that's where we're going. Check it out, sea of clouds. That's beautiful. All the way down into that gap there. Very nice. That's gorgeous. And I can't get enough of this. This is nice. So we've been climbing since we started at Newfound Gap. Really nice trail. Met a couple of folks from New Hampshire. They're heading for Charlie's Bunion, which a lot of the day people are doing. Just passed another older gentleman doing the same. Whew. So one of the cool things about today is we're going to walk a ridge and be above 6,000 feet for several miles. There are several mountains above 6,000 feet that we'll go near the top of, so that's cool. I forget their names. I'll look at the map later and spit them out. Anyway, gorgeous day. The sea of clouds off to the right off of this ridge is just gorgeous. I've been looking at it a lot when it clears. Nice day, man. Nice and cool. It's all right. We got some celebrity trail here. We're gonna make a little speed. See you soon. Looks like a intersection here. Let's see what we got. T goes that way. Charlie's Bunny 1.3. The Boulevard Trail and the jump off. I hear Mount LeConte is quite gorgeous. There's a lodge up there you have to reserve to stay in months in advance. Anyway, Charlie's Bunion, here we come. Alrighty, so that first climb of the day, you know, it wasn't bad. The fact that I had a full breakfast and was well rested and it was the first thing in the day certainly made it easy. It was fueled by 1 cup of coffee, half of a Subway sub, and I drank about 1.5 liters of Gatorade before I even hit the trail. So my tank was full and I'm feeling good now. Now that I've hit the ridge line, there's a whole lot of fairly flat, which is gorgeous. I'm loving it, so I'm trying to scoot along here. About 1 mile to the Bunion. We'll see you there. How about that, huh? Still not to the Bunion, but I think it's over there. I see people over there. Awesome. We're gonna be there in a minute. I'm wondering if that's Gatlinburg way down there. Not sure. Ooh, baby. All right, let's get there. All right. Looks like a brand new sign. That's nice of them. In case you hadn't heard, rocks are dangerous. Rocks may be unstable. Do not fall. All right, up we go. I don't know how far it is. I don't think it's that far. All right, we'll turn it back on when we get there. Okay, folks, here we are. That's part of the Bunion. That's the bigger part of the Bunion. And that's what you can see from the Bunion. As everyone looks at me as I'm talking to my camera and they think I'm crazy. Is that Gatlinburg? Way out there or no? Looks like civilization of some sort. I don't know.
Yeah, we're not sure exactly.
Yeah. Man.
There's a lake over there.
Uh-huh.
I don't know which lake that is.
Gotcha. Wow, pretty nice. Okay. Signing off for now. So I was walking that ridge for a while, man. Just amazing views out to the south and the west, I think. I saw Gatlinburg off in the distance. Super nice. The weather is just perfect. I don't know, it's like 50. There's a nice breeze. It's nice and sunny. Careful now. Just really a beautiful day. It's about 6.1 miles to Peck's Corner Shelter, something like that. I'm not staying there, but I will be taking a break there. I've been making pretty decent progress. The trail is in nice shape. When you're on the ridge, you can speed up. The downs are not terrible. You can actually see where you're going. It's not too leafy. So making good progress. Anyway, it's going to be a 15-mile day by the time we're done if we keep making good progress. So we'll see. Down the hill we go. So back to the whole leaf thing. Most of the trees up this high are spruce, it looks like. Spruce, some other pines. So there's not many broadleaf trees dropping leaves. There's just a lot of needles, and it's funny, when the wind blows hard, it rains needles. It comes down like rain and makes the same sound as rain, but it's just the spruce needles. So it's kind of cool. Anyway, you know, rain today. Nice and sunny. Hi there. taking a pack break, sitting on a rock on top of this amazing ridge in the middle of Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Snack time. Seeing a few Sobo through hikers today. They are moving fast. Not really into chatting. Making their miles in, I guess. Impossible to describe the beauty of this park. It's amazing. And the hike today is turning into one of my favorites. Just because you follow this ridge for a long time. And the views are amazing. There's some ups, there's some downs. But nothing is crazy steep. It's really nice. Anyway, I'm going to finish chewing off camera. And we'll show you some stuff later. Bye-bye. Well, this is nice, isn't it? Check it out. Let's see. We are looking north, I believe. Very nice. It's so calm and quiet. There's a hiker, I don't know, 100 yards behind me. He may catch me or not. We'll see. All right, I think we're gonna get a view here. Looking clear at the top. And before we even get there, wah-wah-wee! Check that out. I mean, your eyes get numb to this after a while. Oh man, very cool. See what's going on up here. Nice. Here we go. Wow. Wow. That's all you can say. I'm looking northeast. Amazing. Low bridge. Holy blowdown. Jeez. Alrighty, that was fun. Okay, that's a sign of something. Day-Tricorner. Bears are active in the area. Don't approach them. Why would you do that? So I looked at rearranging my reservation to stay at Peck's Corner Shelter. I'm kind of glad it didn't work out because I think I'll make it to the next one and set myself up for 2 short days afterwards. So that's cool. I'm going to sit here and have a bite to eat though before I move on. If there's any bears around, let me know, okay? Climbing. Back up on a ridge again. Nice. There's that town, Gatlinburg, or whatever it is, way out there. All the white parts. Very nice. So I'm like, I don't know, 4.8 from my shelter. Hoping to get there by, by 6. We'll see what kind of steep ups slow me down. I'm really happy with how my legs are feeling and how I'm feeling in general today. After feeling so sick on my last day of hiking. I mean, I just wanted to stop hiking, but you couldn't because you were nowhere. Today, my legs feel really good. So I'm thankful for that. Thankful for all the work I put in before I got here. Yay. Anyway, going up. Check it out. In the primordial forest again. 2.8 from my shelter. It's 4 o'clock. I'm pretty happy. We're going to go up a little bit, then drop down one more time, then go up one more time, then drop down again. And I'll be there, all in the next 2.8 miles. Let's see if we have any company there. I'm going to check the notes for the shelter that people leave on the phone app that we all use and see what the mice situation is. My last stay in a shelter the other day went real well. So we'll see. Wouldn't mind doing that. Saves the time to put up and take down the tent. See how it goes. Still feeling really good, so that's good. I welcome a break though. Definitely. It's going to be in the high 30s tonight, I think, so I'd like to get in there well before dark, kind of get the sweat dried off, and then start putting on the layers and getting ready to fend off the cold. Woo! All right, we'll keep on moseying. This trail right now is so soft. They had some rain night before last. All the spruce needles are on the ground, so it's like spongy. It's really easy on the feet. I'm loving it. I hope it goes all the way to the shelter like this, but of course it will not. Anyway, Celebrity Trail. If it wasn't for the moisture, you could put a tent right in the middle of the trail and be nice and cushy. But of course that'd be frowned upon. Anyway, onward. All right, close to the shelter. A Sobo through hiker named Hippie Gandalf just came the other way. Young guy, he's got a big fro, big head of curly hair. Anyway, he's headed back to that shelter I passed a while ago. You know, the one with the bears. That's where he's going. Anyway, hoping to see my home here soon.